Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the Log Video S25 Ultra for first run. Charge to 100% and insert an SD card rated U3 or higher because write speed matters. Once done, mount the camera on a tripod or hold with a steady grip to avoid shake. Power on, set date and time, and grant storage permissions so recordings save correctly. Make sure you update the firmware prompt when it appears. This prevents glitches and ensures new features will work as intended. You now configure recording parameters to match your project goals. First, choose H, 265 for smaller files and better compression, versus H, 264 if you need wider editing compatibility. Next, set resolution and frame rate. Pick 4K at 30 FPS for detail or 1080p at 60 FPS for smooth motion. Then enable stabilization and choose a bitrate that balances quality and file size. Finally, set audio input levels. Test with a quick recording so you avoid clipping or noise before you start. You complete capture by framing and dialing exposure using zebras and the histogram to prevent blown highlights. Once locked, begin recording and monitor battery and file size so you don't interrupt a take. Make sure to swap SD cards before they fill and offload footage promptly. If something goes wrong, like freezing or write errors, reboot the device first, then check SD card health and reformatting camera. If problems persist, reinstall or reapply the firmware update to restore stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.